So, hey, buddy, welcome back to the series named In the Search of Shooting a Cat, in which we talk about something like quantum mechanics and quantum physics, in which you can easily understand by a story form, by we telling you about quantum mechanics in a form of a story, by which you can easily understand what I need to say and how this happened. So, be with me in the story on today's topic named Inside an Atom. It's a kind of a story in which we tell about how an atom born and how it's getting different kind of shapes throughout the past of the quantum mechanics, and now we start. So be with me. I hope you enjoy. So imagine a world so small, so bizarre that our very minds struggling to comprehend it. A world where reality shatters, rule dissolves, and existence flicker between the possible and impossible. Tonight, we embark on a journey deep inside an atom, into the very fabric of reality. What we find may change the way you see the universe forever. So, for centuries, scientists believed that the atom was the fundamental building block of matter, indivisible, unbreakable. But then the crack began to show a change that would change the reality of an atom. What's that? I will tell you. It was a revelation. The atom was not solid, but mostly an empty space, a tiny, dense nucleus set at its heart, holding immense power. So, here's inside the atom. A law of classical physics crumble. Particles are no longer just particles, they are waves now. They are probabilities. They are something else entirely. Schrodinger's cat, a paradox that reveals the airy truth. Particles exist in a multiple state until it observed. Every time I say in the quantum mechanics, observation is the reality. So, this is the true mystery of an atom, a void that is never truly empty, a world where particles appear from nothing, where cause and effect blur into chaos, matter and antimatter born together, destroyed together. In this, the secret is this the secret of their existence. A decline balance on the edge of nothingness. If everything is made of atom and atoms are mostly empty space, what does that make us? Are we real or something like illusion or just flickering waves in an ocean of probabilities? Inside the atom lie the truth of cosmos, and maybe, just maybe, the key to everything. This is where the strongest force in the universe resides, the nuclear force. It builds the nucleus together, stronger than gravity, stronger than magnetism. Without it, atom would simply fall apart. Particles delay, transform, evolve. This is the cycle of an atomic world, a game of probabilities, where even the tiniest change can alter the fate of matter itself. So, the true prisoners of the universe, bound by the unbreakable chain of the strong force, they are never seen alone. They exist in groups, forming the very core of the atom. Quantum chromodynamics, the rule that governs the chaos, a force carried out called the clown blind squawks together, waving the very fabric of matter. We thought we understood the atom, but quantum mechanics laugh in our face. Quantum mechanics. We think we know about the atom, but we don't. The closer we look, the more reality slips through our fingers. Superpositions. A particle can exist in multiple places, in multiple states, until it observed. But who is the observer? Is it us or something greater? The answer lies within atom. The smallest thing shapes the greatest scale, grandest scale. Are we the part of the greatest quantum system? Are we just another function in an infinite equation? Inside an atom lies the code of reality and perhaps the ultimate truth of existence. The universe is watching. Are we? So, that's about the inside of atom story. I hope you enjoy the story and also known about something an atom. It's only a small description about an atom or a kind of story. We will detail it in the next video. So be with me for the next part.